Is the blitz just a reckless gamble or a violent act of genius? Let's break it down. You've seen the highlights. Quarterback gets sacked, fumbles the ball, and scores a touchdown. But have you ever noticed the numbers? 5 offensive linemen protecting the quarterback, 6 defensive players rushing him. The blitz is simple math. Send more rushers than the offense can block. Sack the quarterback before he can react, but every action has a reaction. For every player you send, the quarterback can either step up and throw a quick pass or run for his life. If he gets away, he'll find an open receiver and pick up a first down. That's the risk of the blitz. The reward is a sack, but the risk is a touchdown. So why do it? Because there are ways to mitigate the risk. Linebackers can drop back into coverage, taking away the deep threat. Defensive ends can contain the quarterback, forcing him to stay in the pocket. By disguising the blitz, sending extra help over top, you can confuse the quarterback and catch him off guard. The blitz is more than just aggression. It's a calculated risk, a violent chess match. It's the most dangerous move in the game.